Welcome to Quha's Technology Showcase. This video will explain what makes Quha Zono a computer access device capable of making computer usage available to everyone. Quha Zono consists of a gyroscopic air mouse and a USB receiver. The receiver plugs into a USB port on any computer, and the air mouse replaces the normal mouse. An advanced gyroscope is used to measure the orientation of the air mouse. When the orientation is changed, the gyroscope senses the motion and translates it into a corresponding mouse cursor movement. This information is then transmitted wirelessly to the USB receiver. The integrated gyroscope is so precise that even the smallest motion can be registered. Zono can also understand any direction as movement, and by doing so, liberate the user to freely choose the way he or she would like to use Zono. Zono is barely the size of a matchbox and weighs only 23 grams with the battery included. This makes it the lightest air mouse in the world. Zono has a wireless range of 10 meters, and it can be used non-stop for over 30 hours with just a single charge. These small dimensions and a long battery life, combined with the accuracy and flexibility of the gyroscope, make it possible to attach Zono anywhere on the user's body and to use it in a multitude of ways.
2 ways to click: with an external switch or through an installed virtual mouse software. Let's look at switch use first. When it comes to switch use, you have a lot of different options available, and they all do the same thing. Activate the switch and you get a mouse click. We also have our very own puff switch, the Quha Buffo, that does a click with a simple puff. In order to use a switch, you plug it either to the USB receiver or alternatively use the Zono button adapter and plug it straight to Zono. With a switch, it is very straightforward to click, double-click and drag. Now, on to ways to click without an external switch. This is possible with software that helps you perform a click with just the movement of the cursor. Zono ships with point and click, one of many virtual mouse applications, and I will now show the principle of a virtual mouse with it. It is almost as easy as using a switch. You just take the cursor on top of the action icon you wish to do next, be it a double click, drag or something else, and pause for a moment. The icon will flash red, and when you next time hold the cursor in place, it will do the chosen action. Very simple.